All right, so once we finish saving all the user's data profile information to the Firebase database like this, now we can turn to the next screen, which is to read all the information from this list. Now we should already have this screen built, and we just need to modify some of the details and make sure the attributes are still there, and then the things are displaying correctly. So I'm going to open this ListView Firebase demo. And this is the one we actually built in the previous lesson, where it actually loads all the things under the friends and try to get all the values. We form a list, and then the list will be actually used in the list view, where we have the friend list view, and using the lens, we provide the image and name, phone, and type and everything. So all this information should be there. Let's try it. See, so I'm gonna go to the login. I'm gonna do the login button here. All right, so now you can see 3 people's information shows up, and this time we didn't create any of the dummy data. This information comes from our backend Firebase, and which is collected from the sign up process. So everything still works, right? So you got a home, cell phone, and work, and then you got a name and phone number, and also a little profile image. And then we didn't provide any profile image, so now we could actually add a little like a placeholder. So right here, because right now in our system we have email, name, phone number, type, and UID, and then we did not provide any of the profile image, right? So let's actually do that. So before you add that one, I can just add another one called image, and then I can provide just a little placeholder, okay, for now. Okay, later on we can talk about how we can add or customize the image. So I can go there, I'll just do the user profile icon. All right, just use something pretty simple, maybe this one here. Right click, copy image address, and then put it into this placeholder right here. So every record, even though we're not providing the image, we can just, you know, provide this default placeholder here. Okay, I'm gonna refresh the page. So go back and then log in again. All right, so this time we actually do show a little placeholder image. It looks nice. Okay, so pretty straightforward. And then we also have other things like here, email, right? And we don't have to display the email, but this is just a basic list view of how we can show things here, right? So you can click on that, you can see the basic information, and then all of this in here. All right, so that's how it works.